Welcome to Tennis Spin, where we put our spin on your tennis. Guys, have you ever heard this sound before? Is there something wrong with the racket? Is it cracked? What's going on? Stay tuned. All right, guys, so coffee sponsor of the day is Fahid Nasser. Fahid writes, I want to thank you for the detailed vids and explanations you provide us with. I'd like you to review and present different poly strings from Yonex. Oh, that's a great suggestion. I will definitely do that. This on my list. I'll do that, okay? Thank you so much for the suggestion. Thank you for the coffee. If you want to be my coffee sponsor of the day, network is buymeacoffee.com/tennis spin. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you. All righty. So guys, does your racket do this when you play? Right? It's okay when it hits here, but when you get up towards the top of the sweet spot, like right around here, you start hearing a weird kind of rattle like this, right? You hold it tight, it kind of doesn't do it until you get further up the top. What is that sound? What's causing that sound? Right? I'm in the sweet spot, center, no sound. Right, as I move up to the top, and I'm going to hold it looser now, which you're supposed to do. Is your racket broken? Is your racket broken? I definitely feel the vibration coming into this handle. But what is making that noise? Is it, like people always ask me, is my racket cracked? Is my handle broken? Is there something loose inside? Because the next move is usually doing this. Like we're shaking something. Do you hear that though? There is something shaking. You hear it? Yeah. Right? What is that noise? Sometimes there's like a grommet or loose piece of graphite or something that was in the handle that kind of runs throughout this head. And you can do this and it'll run, and you can shake it, right? That's what's rattling too. But this one is pretty simple. I take the trap door out. So just leaving the trap door out. Look. It went away. Sound went away. You hear that? So what's going on? So the trap door somehow is loose on this now. So what's happening is when you hit the strings, this thing, because it's loose, it's buzzing. So the buzzing is actually coming from this trap door. The only way to really fix this is either get a new trap door or, and sometimes that doesn't work either, or you kind of have to epoxy or crazy glue in here and then pop this back on. See, it snaps in. That's the weird thing. Usually it doesn't snap like that, but sometimes it'll buzz there. But you can hear it like moving. You hear it? So don't be alarmed if it's doing that. Don't be alarmed. I tell people, you know what? As annoying as that sound is, there's nothing wrong with your racket. There's nothing. You can play through it. It just feels and sounds weird. I know. People always like, it's driving me crazy. I can't do nothing about it. And I'm like, well, take the trap door out and glue it shut. Like crazy glue it shut. Or use some super strong epoxy to keep it from rattling. That's the only way to get rid of that annoying sound. But your play will not be affected with that sound. Like, your shots will be consistent. It's just vibrating through the racket into the handle. That is it. Okay, guys? That is it. Thank you for watching Tennis Spin, where we put our spin on your tennis. Guys, are you tired of playing against the ball machine? Ball machine always wins, and you're not really getting any interaction with people. How about playing with somebody at your level, or maybe a little bit better than you, that can improve your game? There's 27,000 people nationwide waiting for you to play with. It's all at playyourcourt.com. You can find your new tennis friend, join local leagues, all for less than $5 a month. You'll have access to players at your level, your speed, and make some new tennis friends. Check it out at playyourcourt.com/tennis spin. Link is below.